Daily Drivers Performance Parts. Hawk! So what's your goal, Tom?
To take that off.
Sick!
And to make it so our turbo doesn't fall off anymore.
Hey Tom, what's your favorite part about drifting?
Watching other people fix my car.
Oh.
Did they?
Oh yeah, I got it.
Got it.
You got three choices. A 19, an 18, or a 13.
Oh, hey, look, there's a stud missing.
Well.
Forgot about that.
Ready? Are you gonna have to pull that power steering hose so you can get the MAF around it? Or
Nope.
did you loosen the lower hose on that? So you can pull the MAF off and not have to worry about hoses?
I didn't think that I tightened anything, but then again, it's me.
Did you already unhook all the coolant lines and
I thought I did, I didn't. That's not it. Now what?
Did you unhook the oil line?
Yeah.
From the oil pan as well?
No.
Hello? A package?
Oh! That's heavier than I thought.
It's like lighter than a bag of dog food. These are reasons why Tom never gets things done. See, in the middle of taking that turbo off and doing things to his actual car that he's gonna drift with and abuse, the mail guy shows up bringing a package from Russia. Dang, that's the real deal.
Fiber fab.
Or not. Yeah.
What?
Nothing. I was just saying cut it there and then you could pull it out. But apparently they box better things than the company I bought oil pan gaskets from through eBay. So they came all the way from Russia and it wasn't even bent in half.
And it's like actually really nice quality.
I want to know how you feel about this package that just came.
I'm really happy. Really excited. And,
Okay. Do you have anyone you'd like to thank?
Fiber fab.
Okay.
Because this is amazing.
Dang, and it fits perfect.
A glove.
Look at that. Wow.
And a little carbon fiber keychain. So now that we got the turbo pulled, we're gonna go back to my place and fix this turd.
Safety first, then teamwork.
Safety, then teamwork. Always.
So, we have learned that there is a broken stud. To remove that stud, we're going to apply a nice thick coating of weld.
With
give it just a second to pull up.
Yep.
And we're back.
Nope.
Maybe not.
It's just gonna snap off.
So we are on attempt number 3.
Nope.
Okay.
God. Come on. Come on. Nope. It ain't gonna do it.
Baby, it's me.
That's what came out of there. We just
Okay.
tapped it out, and we'll send a thread tap through there, see if it looks any decent at all. Look out, we're going in dry.
Yeah.
Fine, yeah. I wouldn't tighten it down like Josh tight. Like you've got an extra chromosome, but you can tighten it down like a normal human being. Pretty flat. It's still a little bit of
Almost there.
and kind of like right there a little bit. This stud right here is hitting the downpipe, thus making it wobble.
Remember, kids, always wear your safety glasses, even if you can't see shit out of them.
Yeah, it's
Sorry,
doo-doo.
take two. Remember, kids, always wear your safety glasses. I did. Take three. Remember, kids, always wear your safety glasses, even if it looks like heck out of them.
That works.
Okay. So now that everything is nice and clean, sick.
Sick.
Hopefully you don't have to do this at home. Okay, so now hopefully it fits. And
There.
it does. Wow.
Just had to widen a couple holes.
Movie magic. Bolts are tightened up. So we can move on to the next project.